Hey, it's Josh Hewitt. I just wanted to share something that's had a profoundly positive impact on my life, as well as the lives of many people that I've worked with. You could say that one of the biggest pandemics in the world today is that people are really caught up in their heads. They're like stuck in their thoughts, overthinking, stressing about what might happen in the future and worrying about the past. And they're really disconnected from their bodies. And what I would say is the antidote or the cure for this pandemic is present moment awareness. So to develop present moment awareness, there are a number of different practices that one could employ, including breathwork and meditation. So as I've incorporated these practices into my own life and really noticed huge benefits, I've decided to offer these as a service that I provide to clients as well. So I'm now offering workshops and private sessions one-on-one, both online and in person, incorporating the aspects of conscious connected breathing, mindfulness meditation, and somatic body scan or body awareness meditation, as well as various mindful movement practices. Some of the benefits of breathwork alone include stress reduction, reducing inflammation, releasing feel-good hormones into the body, turning off the thinking brain, improving your immune system, improving lung capacity, as well as potentially protecting your brain cells. And some of the many proven benefits of meditation include increased self-awareness and mindfulness, improved mental focus, attention, and concentration, protecting brain health and slowing the aging of the brain, reduction of memory loss, improved neuroplasticity, improved sleep quality, pain management, as well as managing stress and anxiety. So if these guided breathwork and meditation experiences resonate for you in any way, please check the description section below where you can learn more, or you can find out when the next upcoming workshop is, or you can reach out and contact me directly if you have any specific questions or if you want to set something up. I really do hope that you decide to join me for one of these experiences, participate in one of my workshops, and discover the benefits for yourself. Please consider this my invitation to lose your mind and come to your senses.